Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install an easy lip. If you don't know what an easy lip is, it's basically like a rubber type material that goes on the bumper of your car. The bottom, it's like a lip. They also do side skirts and pieces for the back bumper and stuff like that as well, but the most common thing is the front lip. And it protects your front bumper from, higher curbs and stuff like that when parking. It also gives it a pretty cool look. You can get them in carbon fiber in different colors as well. A lot of different brands out there. Easy Lip is easily one of the most popular brands out there and one of the best ones available. And they're gonna range anywhere from $30 to $50 depending on what application you're doing and the length that you need. Most cars you can get the average kit, which is 8.5 feet for the front bumper, which is good for a majority of cars. The third gen Camaros obviously have a little bit longer and bigger front bumper, so I need a longer one. I contacted them. They sent me one that was 9.5 feet. Well, when I measured it out, I put it up on the bumper and it actually wasn't long enough. So I rolled it out, measured it, and it was actually in between 8.5 and 9.5 feet. So there was an issue. I contacted them. They immediately sent me a new one. So I have an 8.5 or like almost a 9-foot easy lip, and then I got the correct one right here. So I'm going to show you how to install this. Basically, it's really simple. It's got 3M tape on the back side of it, and then all you're going to need is like rubbing alcohol or just Windex or a body cleaner of some sort without like a residue or anything that's going to prevent the 3M tape from sticking to your vehicle. The only other thing you'll need is a rag for your alcohol and a knife or scissors in order to cut the easy lip after you've installed it. So once we get it started, you just simply press firmly along the easy lip to make sure it stays. I'll show you what the car looks like without it, and then I'll show you what it looks like after it's installed and a little bit of the installation as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm not gonna be wearing my external mic because I'll be dragging it around everywhere, but I'm just gonna show you, alcohol, clean up your front bumper, run it all along the bottom side. Make sure there's no crap stuck to the bottom of your bumper. Everywhere that the 3M tape is going to stick. Once you've done that, we're just simply going to take the easy lip out. You simply peel the red piece off. So now that I've got the right side peeled, we're just going to simply start back here. Find out where exactly you want it, how deep you want it in or under. Right there is about good for me. Then just press firmly into your bumper. Making sure there's no air bubbles or anything like that. So here it is all installed. Now you guys saw I was working on this corner over here. Now it's not going to be like this with 90% of vehicles. It's only like this on the Camaros because it's such a sharp turn. So if you're worried about that, don't. On a majority of cars it's going to work just fine. I have one on here. And as you can see, I know it's a little dark, but This one, there's no issue whatsoever. And there's no issues on this one. It was just kind of a pain to make that turn. And as you can tell, since it's a sharp turn, it pulls it down. But what I did in order to secure it, because obviously wind's going to be hitting this from the front, and to keep it from pulling back, I've basically installed some little extra supports down here to actually suck it into the bumper. But if you're going to do this on any other car, you're probably not going to have an issue at all. Easy Lip's a really good product, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any questions on the install, feel free to leave a comment. It's super easy. Make sure everything's clean and apply it exactly how you want it, and then make sure to trim the edges to the right length, and you're good to go. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'll throw up a before and after picture as well. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.